another video. Today I'm going to show you Havoc OS Android 11. Guys, if you want me to release the installation video, please get this video to 20 likes and let's hit 405 subscribers. So guys, this is Havoc OS. As you can see, there's a new feature, app suggestions. So instead of those random apps on the bottom, the most used apps will now be in your preference apps. So this is the notification bar, nothing different or nothing new from Android 10. It's more or less the same, but as I've shown you guys previously in my other videos, Havoc OS still has all the customized features and even more than Android 10, unlike the other GSIs which decided to take them out for some strange reason, I don't know. But Havoc OS, so far as I know, is the most customized Android 11 GSI for the A7 2018. So if you guys are looking for customization in your GSI, I can only recommend Havoc OS. Also guys, I am going to release Evolutionary X and Reinstruction Remix Android 11 GSIs for the A7 2018. Stay tuned for those videos, and in the meantime, please comment down below on what videos I should do next. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now guys, getting back to the video, as I was saying, there's so many customization options. And the security, everything works. There's a face unlock, the pin works, the fingerprint works. I'm going to set a quick pattern right now just to show you guys it works. As you can see, there is no lock screen bug. Now I'm going to show you guys you can also set your fingerprint without any issues. So there's no issues there. That's the good part. And yeah, so guys, so after proving to you the fingerprint works, those are the most of the major features in Havoc OS. I know they're not a ton different from Android 10, but as the GSI gets updated, more features will come. And also this has been one of more of the smoother experiences on the GSI I've experienced. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.